Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to activate PS5 as primary. Be sure you're logged into your account and this should be your main PS5 account. From the PS5 home screen, navigate to the top right. Select the settings gear icon next to the profile and search icons. In settings, scroll down and select users and accounts. It's the fourth option from the top. Inside users and accounts, scroll to other, which is the sixth option. Then choose console sharing and offline play. If the button says enable, select it. Confirm by pressing OK. Your PS5 now treats this account as a primary account, allowing other users on the same console to access its games and contents offline. If it says disable, that means it's already enabled for that account and only the one PS5 can have console sharing enabled for an account at a time. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.